The history of pandemics. The coronavirus pandemic is historic, but this isn't the first time a virus has sickened people around the globe.
Pandemics have happened throughout history. The last pandemic started in 2009 with the outbreak of a new kind of H1N1 flu called swine flu. It probably started in North America and spread around the world. Swine flu wasn't nearly as deadly as the coronavirus. Governments did not have to issue stay-at-home orders like those we're seeing today. By late 2009, vaccines were available to prevent people from getting sick.
A look back.
In 1918, a pandemic hit America, caused by a new kind of flu called the Spanish flu. Experts believe that 1/3 of the world's population was infected with Spanish flu. Many people have compared it to the new coronavirus. They're similar in the way they infect people, historian John Barry told Time for Kids. They're similar in the way they spread. Both affect a person's lungs, and both spread when an infected person coughs, sneezes, or talks.
Stopping the spread.
During the Spanish flu pandemic, the U.S. established restrictions similar to those we're seeing today. People were asked to wear masks and wash their hands. Officials limited large gatherings and ordered people to quarantine themselves. Quarantine is centuries and centuries old, Catherine Foss says. She's a scholar who has studied pandemics throughout history. It's the #1 practice that is used to stop an outbreak, and it works even when scientists don't know what is making people sick.
Tech help.
Today, scientists have technology to help them battle the virus, but it still takes time to develop vaccines and treatments using modern medicine, Barry says. In the meantime, the only thing left to fight it with are public health measures like quarantine. Barry says that although there have been pandemics through history, kids should understand that this one is unusually severe. This is not ordinary, he says. This is a special time that requires special courage. You have an opportunity to rise to greatness. Social distancing matters, and it saves lives.